Hi there, students. Camaraderie. Camaraderie. A noun, an uncountable noun. Okay, this talks about a feeling of friendliness among a group of people or among people who you share an experience with. So there's a lot of camaraderie among my team at work. Okay, so there's a lot of friendship, good feeling between them. Um, yes, people who go on a pilgrimage, maybe they walk in a group together or they meet each other in different places along the way, and there's quite a lot of camaraderie between them. Yeah, so there's a good feeling of comradeship, if you like, this friendly feeling. Yeah, camaraderie is particularly common at work, where there are a team of you working to accomplish some objective. Okay, so camaraderie, loyalty, warm, friendly feeling, friendship. Yeah. There was a real feeling of camaraderie amongst the people in the class. It's one of the things that I really like about the subscribers to my channel. There is clearly a great feeling of camaraderie among them, and people chatting to each other, asking how each other is, etc. And that's a really good thing. Yeah. Um, so I enjoy this feeling of camaraderie. Yeah, there's this spirit of camaraderie amongst the group. Maybe people who are undergoing a difficult situation, they're all together. There's a sense of camaraderie. Or perhaps, I don't know, you're in an airport waiting for a plane and the plane's delayed and delayed and delayed and delayed. If you're lucky, a sense of camaraderie appears among the people waiting. Yeah, they become friends. Yeah. In a team, in a sports team, there should be a sense of camaraderie, a spirit of or a feeling of familiarity and closeness. Okay, and this is the idea of camaraderie. It's just a good feeling among people within a group. Okay, let's see. Formality. There was a lot of camaraderie among the group. I think I'd give it a 6 in formality. I think you can use it anywhere. It's ever so slightly on the formal side, but not seriously. And then this word itself comes directly from French, camaraderie, meaning exactly the same thing. And this word itself comes from a Spanish word, camarada. But let's see, in French, for a long time, the camarade was a soldier's dormitory. Yeah, so people who share soldiers who share the same dormitory, and clearly there is a good feeling between the two. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Camaraderie.